Welcome to Healthcare Channel. Please subscribe and share this video to help others in this way. Ashwagandha, the herb with a name as robust as its benefits. Known as the Indian ginseng or winter cherry, this adaptogenic powerhouse has been a staple in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. Let's unravel the top 15 benefits that make ashwagandha a wellness wonder. Number 1. Stress reduction. At the forefront of ashwagandha's resume is its ability to combat stress. It works wonders by regulating cortisol, the notorious stress hormone. The adaptogenic nature of ashwagandha helps your body adapt to stressors, promoting a sense of calm and balance. Number 2. Anxiety alleviation. In the modern hustle, anxiety often tags along. Ashwagandha's anxiolytic properties make it a natural remedy for anxiety disorders. It interacts with the neurotransmitter system, promoting relaxation without the sedative effects of pharmaceutical alternatives. Number 3. Mood enhancement. Feeling a bit blue? Ashwagandha steps in as a mood booster. By increasing serotonin levels, the herb contributes to an improved overall sense of well-being. It's like a daily dose of sunshine for your mood. Number 4. Energy boost. Unlike the jittery surge from caffeine, ashwagandha provides a sustained energy boost. By supporting adrenal function, it helps your body better cope with physical and mental stress, keeping you energized throughout the day. Number 5. Enhanced sleep quality. Quality sleep is the cornerstone of good health. Ashwagandha's calming effects help alleviate insomnia and improve sleep quality. Bid farewell to restless nights and embrace the rejuvenating power of a good night's sleep. Number 6. Cognitive function improvement. Ashwagandha isn't just for the body, it's a brain booster too. Studies suggest that it enhances cognitive function, memory, and concentration. Think of it as a natural nootropic, supporting your mental prowess. Number 7. Immune system support. Your immune system deserves some love, and ashwagandha delivers. It stimulates the production of immune cells, helping your body fend off infections and illnesses. Consider it your shield against the common cold and other invaders. Number 8. Anti-inflammatory action. Chronic inflammation is the culprit behind many diseases. Ashwagandha, with its potent anti-inflammatory properties, helps combat inflammation at the cellular level. It's like a soothing balm for your body's internal fire. Number 9. Joint pain relief. Achy joints? Ashwagandha's anti-inflammatory effects extend to joint health. It can be particularly beneficial for individuals dealing with conditions like arthritis, offering relief from pain and discomfort. Number 10. Hormone balance. For the ladies, ashwagandha plays a role in hormone balance. It regulates cortisol, which, in turn, helps balance other hormones. This makes it a valuable ally for managing hormonal issues, including symptoms of PMS. Number 11. Cardiovascular health. Ashwagandha has been linked to improved cardiovascular health by reducing cholesterol and triglyceride levels. It supports a healthy heart, contributing to overall cardiovascular well-being. Number 12. Antioxidant protection. The body's own defense against oxidative stress sometimes needs a boost. Ashwagandha, rich in antioxidants, helps neutralize free radicals, protecting your cells from damage. It's like having a battalion of guardians for your cellular health. Number 13. Blood sugar regulation. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health. Ashwagandha has demonstrated the ability to lower blood sugar levels, making it a potential aid for individuals with diabetes or those at risk. Number 14. Muscle strength and recovery. Whether you're a gym enthusiast or just aiming for everyday vitality, ashwagandha supports muscle strength and recovery. It's like a natural energy drink for your muscles, promoting endurance and reducing exercise-induced fatigue. Number 15. Reproductive health. Ashwagandha has been traditionally used to support reproductive health in both men and women. It may enhance fertility, improve sperm quality, and address issues like erectile dysfunction, making it a holistic ally for intimate well-being. Conclusion. Before incorporating ashwagandha into your routine, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. While the benefits of ashwagandha are vast, personalized advice ensures a tailored approach to your well-being journey.